naman na balita na di umano'y paggamit daw ng mga Chinese fishermen ng cyanide para sadyain na sirain ang mga resources natin dyan sa Baho de Masinloc or Scarborough?
Yes, partner. Actually, nababahala tayo sa ulat na yan. Ang nagbigay po ng informasyon na yan sa atin, sa BIFAR in particular, ay yung mga mangingisda mismo. Nagsumbong yung ating mga mangingisdang Pilipino sa Baho de Masinloc na gumagamit di umano ng cyanide ang Chinese fisherman dyan para mangisda and also para sirain yung coral environment, no, yung marine environment, para hindi na mapakinabangan ng mga Pilipino, no. So kami po dito sa National Security Council, we are alarmed by this development na nangyayaring ito. But you know, partner, we have to be careful also. So we have to validate and investigate. So ang sabi po namin sa DFAR, complete the documentation that you have taken, no? Yung mga ebidensya at mga affidavits na makukuha natin, submit your post-mission report to the National Task Force West Philippine Sea. We will investigate this report and if validated, pwede po natin itong i-forward sa Department of Justice at sa Office of the Solicitor General because sila po ngayon yung gumagawa ng mga hakbang para mapalakas yung pinaplano nating pagsasampa ng kaso sa kung saang mang tribunal for environmental degradation. So, ang ano kasi dito, partner, the challenge is to prove, no, that the responsibility for the coral degradation and the impact to the environment is coming from this specific people, no. Kailangan natin i-connect we have to have the solid evidence to prove para pag nagsampat na tayong kaso, hindi naman tayo may hirapan to prove to the court. Kasi alam mo naman, when we go to court, you will have to have solid evidence to back your claim.
So, ADG, in the end, as of now, no, you are not confirming, but you're also not denying that cyanide was used.
Well, it was reported to us orally through BIFAR by our Filipino fishermen. And kung meron silang ebidensya, we told BIFAR, i-collect nyo na yan lahat, no? Submit that to the National Task Force West Philippine Sea. And if we see that there's probable cause or there is enough evidence to prove this claim, we will forward this to the OSG and the DOJ para mapaghandaan natin yung ipa-file nating kaso. Because, of course, we cannot tolerate environmental degradation in our seas.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.